Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for honest beauty insights. Today we're talking about a game changer for anyone battling damaged hair, Aveda's Botanical Repair Strengthening Leave-In Treatment. If you've been searching for a product that strengthens, protects, and reduces frizz without weighing down your hair, stick around. Let's break down if this is really the miracle treatment it claims to be. Aveda is known for its high-quality products that blend nature with science, and this leave-in treatment is no different. Formulated with 99% naturally derived ingredients, it's designed to instantly strengthen damaged hair while providing heat protection, making it a solid choice for anyone who uses styling tools regularly. It's cruelty-free, which is always a plus if you're mindful about the products you use. Now, let's talk about the main features. This treatment claims to strengthen hair, help protect it from breakage, and reduce frizz. The liquid formula is lightweight, designed to absorb quickly into your hair without leaving any greasy residue. It's suitable for all hair types, which means it's versatile and it promises visible results after just one use. When it comes to the real-world experience, incorporating this into my routine was super easy. I applied it to damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends, as the instructions suggest. The formula has a light, refreshing scent, nothing overpowering, which I appreciate. Once applied, it absorbed quickly, and my hair felt soft without any sticky or heavy buildup. I was curious to see how it would perform with my usual styling routine. I used a blow dryer and a straightener, and I was genuinely impressed by how smooth and frizz-free my hair was. Even after styling, I noticed a reduction in flyaways and breakage, and my hair felt stronger. It didn't weigh my hair down, which is something I've struggled with in the past with other leave-in treatments. On the downside, it did feel like my hair had a bit of extra texture, which, depending on your preference, could be a pro or con. As for its value for money, Aveda products tend to be on the pricier side, but this treatment delivers on its promises. The quality of ingredients, especially with it being 99% naturally derived, makes it a product worth considering if you're looking for something that really strengthens hair while providing heat protection. If you're willing to spend a little more for these benefits, it could definitely be worth the investment. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few that might fit the bill at a lower price point. Brands like OGX or Shea Moisture offer leave-in treatments with similar benefits at a more affordable rate, but you might not get the same concentration of natural ingredients or the heat protection that Aveda offers. So, does the Aveda Botanical Repair Strengthening Leave-In Treatment live up to its claims? In my opinion, yes. It's perfect for anyone with damaged or frizzy hair who needs a bit of extra protection and smoothness. It's a solid choice for everyday use, and the fact that it's natural and cruelty-free just adds to its appeal. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this treatment, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.